The public now considers crime the third most important concern facing the country. Whilst the total volume of crime is down, some of the offences which cause the greatest harm have been growing. Between 2014 and 2018, homicide, robbery, knife and gun crime all rose by over 30%. Meanwhile, antisocial behaviour is at its highest point in a decade. Far from being isolated phenomena, these trends are interconnected and influenced by shifts in drug markets. Our analysis charts how a toxic combination of falling police enforcement alongside growing availability of cocaine, indicated by rising purity and consumption, is contributing to violent competition between gangs. This context makes it especially concerning that the Home Office has lost control on crime. A lack of leadership has been compounded by cuts to police funding and the stripping away of much of the architecture that used to exist to intervene early and prevent crime, from Sure Start to youth offending teams. Meanwhile, the criminal justice system is creaking at the edges, with arrests and charges at record lows. In this report, we argue that the government should respond to this crisis by setting out a 5-year plan on crime, oriented around 4 key principles: national leadership, prevention and early intervention, effective enforcement, and partnership working. We recommend the creation of a National Crime Prevention Board reporting directly to the Prime Minister, a long-term funding settlement for the police, an early intervention task force, and reorienting the National Crime Agency around the disruption of cocaine and heroin supply into the UK. Rising crime is not inevitable, however, the government must act now to restore order and rebuild the communities in which we live.